I wanted to do an updated guide on the Superpedestrian Link scooter. In the last video I didn't exactly explain how you make it go. So we'll just have a quick guide of it again and I'll explain how to make it go. So as before you can use one, you need to download the app, which is available on Android and iOS. Set up some sort of payment method. I got mine on my debit card. And then open the app. You can scan the QR code on the scooter. There's a green light there, that will turn white and then you're ready to go. To actually make it go, you have to push off, you have to have a little bit of momentum before it goes, and then you have the throttle here to make it go faster. This is a bell. On this side we have the brakes. So let's scan this one and let's give it a whirl. Okay. Just need to wait for the light to go white, and it has. So a little bit of momentum, across the throttle, and away we go. Let's have a short ride down here. Across the bell. You can release the throttle and slow down, or you can use the brakes. And we'll look for a parking zone. You do have to park these at the parking zone or it won't let you end the ride. And there's a parking zone down here on my right, so I will park up there and I'll end my ride and see how much this little ride has cost. Here's the parking zone. Finish the ride. Take it its time. Take a photo. And that has cost me €1.90 for that short ride, 3 minutes.